Another MuggyWeld.com customer testimonial. These MuggyWeld 77 cast iron rods are great because they help me fix a broken engine mount casting in the block of my 1994 Dodge 5.9 Cummins. It's a 12-valve straight 6 diesel engine that I put into my work truck. The MuggyWeld 77 cast iron rods worked excellent. The rods were very easy to weld with and produced a strong new base metal in the block that I could drill and tap. I followed the advice that Mike at MuggyWeld gave me beforehand, which wasn't rocket science and was straightforward for anyone who was a decent stick welder, not complicated at all. During the process, I actually welded and ground down the new engine mount casting like 3 times, not because the rods aren't great, they are, but because I accidentally kept over grinding the new engine mount perch too far beyond perfectly flush with the other 3 adjacent to it. I finally got it ground down level and flush, and the new mount bolted up excellent. Nice and strong. Very pleased with the job. Thanks, MuggyWeld. I hope the photos are pretty self-explanatory. And yes, I was using a bolt screwed into the adjacent mount perch as a drill guide to keep me drilling straight. Jamie Scheld. Jamie, thank you for your photo testimonial. Subscribe by clicking the little welder guy, and don't add another great engine to the scrapyard. Join countless others and MuggyWeld it.